The rose petals and confetti that were affectionately showered on McCartney and his bride appeared to capture his particular place in British life.
So this is the fourth time. Heather Mills is the third one.
Oh, really?
Heather Mills, yeah. I'm sure he learned a lot from that nasty breakup, so there must be a prenup for this.
I guess so. I think you hope so.
We're talking Paul McCartney, so there must be. So that's where we wrap our global news segment. Up next, we will bring you the latest on the business and also some sports updates. But before that, we take a listen to today's special report.
Hello, old-fashioned tour.
Hi, I'd like to book a trip to Beijing.
Sure.
Can I choose my hotel?
Cannot.
Choose my tour?
Cannot.
Then what can I choose? Choose to visit AirAsiaGo.com, where you have over 70,000 hotels and 5,000 tours to select from worldwide. We will fly plenty of holiday activities and rental plans for you to choose from. AirAsiaGo.com. Choose your perfect holiday.
Happiness Thailand Paradise with the Ministry of Tourism and Sports and the Tourism Authority of Thailand.